German import to check out here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 2002 Porsche Boxster S convertible. 20,132 miles is all on this one. It's a one-owner car. Of course, a 3.2 liter flat six underneath the hood. 6-speed manual transmission. Let's go ahead and take a look at the front fascia. You can see nice shape. Of course, it's black. You're going to find a few little touch-ups here or there. There might be a little pebble chip, what have you. But overall, what nice condition. No doubt about that. Wait till you see the interior, the convertible top. Paint obviously has a nice shine to it. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see this car from every angle. Underside, interior, luggage compartments. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Chrome Porsche wheels, those big brake rotors drilled at all four corners. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see it's free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. One little touch-up spot, if you can see that. Kind of tough to get it to show up right there. But again, overall, this paint shows well. Reflection in it. Interior leather bucket seats. Center console, of course, power top. There's that 6-speed. Seats are like new in this car. We'll get around to the driver's side, let you check it out a little bit closer. Built-in windscreen. Definitely a fun summer car. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. All right, recent service work done to this, late 2024. It had spent some time in storage, so when it came out of storage, a new air filter was installed, as well as new battery, brake fluid, had a flush and fill, tranny fluid, flushed and filled, new spark plugs, serpentine belt replaced, 4 tires done at that time, mounted and balanced, and the oil changed. So up to snuff on service work. Technician also noted the brakes are 80% in the front, 75% in the rear, AC blows cold, and again, all those still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. Sorry about the noise in the background there. It sounds like they're moving around a rumbler. Next door, where they're doing the detailing, the vehicles that are getting ready to get listed. One owner, 20,132 miles, and it shows as we look up and down this driver's side. Again, you can see the reflection in the paint. Practically looks like it's wet, not full of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Yes, it's black. The car's over 20 years old. You may have a spot where it's a little touch up here or there, but overall, shows very well. All right, Bose stereo system, as you can see on the speaker down there. Of course, you do have memory seating. Your releases for the hood and trunk, I guess, if you will. Power seat over here on the driver's side. And again, just look at the lack of really anywhere in that seat. Just a little bit of the natural hide wrinkling on that bolster. Let's go ahead and fire it up. Telling me the keys in ignition. All right. So we have the parking brake on because we're going to do the convertible top here in just a bit. Seat belt, don't have that on, so we want to okay that. And there's your exact miles, 20,132. Of course, electronic climate control, stereo system, dash, everything, nice shape, working order. And slip around to the back so you can hear this run. Won't really be able to show you an engine bay on this one, but let's listen. Of course, mid-engine, rear-wheel drive. Midwest vehicle, like I said, not driven winters, hence the low miles, and was in storage up until late 24 or so when it came out. That service work was done to it, and it is now ready for someone else to enjoy. All right, let me pause this real quick. I want to get the tripod set up. We're going to show you the convertible top function, up and down, check out the condition of it, and then stick around to the very end. Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. And the convertible top up. So functions as it should. Rolled the side glass up too so you can see how nice that fits. Nice tight fit above the windshield. Black fabric. Doesn't look like it's hardly been used. I guess what you'd expect on a 20,000 mile one owner car. No doubt about that. And passenger side. Glass also rolled up. Nice fit. No rips, tears, holes, really any discoloration, wear at all. Again, above the windshield. Good fit. You need it to keep you dry or out of the sun. Not going to be a problem. I'll show you it going back down to under its own power. So there you go. 2002 Porsche Boxster S. 20,132 miles on the odometer. Don't forget about that service work that was just recently done at the end of 2024. Stick around to the very end of the video. Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all those still pics. 507-386-1726, number to call. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 2002 Porsche Boxster S. This is a convertible, and we do have the top up today. This is a 6-speed manual transmission. A very refined German car. with excellent handling because of that properly placed engine. There, we're in 6th gear. We're doing about 55 miles an hour at 2,000 RPM, and the car is happy. We have 180 degrees on the temperature gauge for the coolant. The fuel gauge is showing a little under a half a tank. Stereo sounding good.
I didn't give to you.
The leather bucket seats in this Porsche. How do you prefer to say it? Porsche? Porsche? Very comfortable, very responsive. As a Porsche should be. Porsche should be. We're going down to 3rd. I'm gonna leave it in 3rd for the corner. Get a little G-force going. Oh, it grips. It grips so well. And corners nice and flat. And listen to it hum, if you can hear that. It is a nice sounding car, a performer. The 2002 Boxster S. Take a look at all the pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com.